Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. I am your host, Bill Miller. Very excited because this is part 3 of 3 of a mystery unboxing that we're doing with some graded comics that we got at auction many months ago. So, the box has been opened. I still haven't looked, so I don't know what books are in there. You will get to find out first, because I will show them in such a way as to allow you to see them before I do. Without further ado, let's get to solving this mystery. All right. So, book number 1. And here we go. Oh boy. Outstanding. We always love EC comics, and they're certainly keepers. Just a beauty. So this is Vault of Horror number 38, EC Comics, August to September of 1954. Carl Wessler story, Johnny Craig cover, Johnny Craig, Graham Ingalls, Jack Davis, and Bernard Krigstein art. This is a CGC 5.0 with off-white pages. And on the back, hey Skinny, your ribs are showing. We've got Charles Atlas. So again, Vault of Horror number 38. All right, we've got a total of 5 books. So here's the second one. And boom. Oh boy, look at that. What a beaut. Just fantastic. And what's with the pink label, you might ask? Well, let's find out. It says Weird Science number 6, Titanic Story, Atomic Explosion Panel. EC, March to April of 1951. Cover, story, and art, Al Feldstein. Art, Wally Wood and Jack Kamen. Story and art, Harvey Kurtzman. This is a CBCS 4.5 with white pages. And it says verified signature, Al Feldstein, on first page. Only I can't show it to you. It's encased in this plastic tomb. So that's why it is a pink label, because it has a verified signature. Al Feldstein. How fantastic is that? And on the back, we have that 36-piece electric work kit. So just a beaut. Weird Science. Number, was that 8? 6. Number 6. Fantastic Feldstein cover and signature. All right. Next. What gots we? All right, here we go. Oh boy. We've got another EC. We're loving life right now. All right, this is Weird Science number 11. EC Comics, January to February of 1952. Jack Kamen photo and biography. Bill Gaines and Al Feldstein stories. Joe Orlando, Jack Kamen, and Wally Wood art. Al Feldstein cover. And this is a CGC. The last was the CBCS. This is a CGC 6.0 with cream to off-white pages. And on the back, you can fly a real jet plane with the JetX Javelin, guaranteed to give you fun-filled flights. So Weird Science number 11. All right, we've got two more. And here we are. Boom. Oh boy. What a treat. We've got Weird Science Fantasy number 28, EC Comics, March to April of 1955. Adam Link story. Binder, Gaines, and Feldstein stories. Wally Wood, Joe Orlando, Jack Kamen, and Al Williamson art. Al Feldstein cover. And this is a CGC 6.5 with off-white to white pages. Brilliant in its understatedness. And on the back, you can get prizes and make money too. Now, I can't go over those prizes. Mrs. Musings gets upset when I take too much time going over all the prizes. No, can't do it. Next time, though. Maybe next time. So, Weird Science Fantasy number 28. All right, last one. Let's see what we have here. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, fantastic. Look at that gorgeous Don Heck cover. What a beauty. Are you kidding me? Gosh. This is Weird Terror number 11, Comic Media, May of 1954. Ken Fitch story, Bill Discount art, Don Heck cover and art. This is a CGC 4.5 with off-white to white pages. Let's drink that in, shall we? Just amazing. Love Don Heck's PCH art. It's fantastic. Now on the back it says How I Foxed the Navy by Arthur Godfrey. Get expert guidance, 2 free books on how to succeed through international correspondence schools. So again, Weird Terror number 11. And that will do it for the graded books that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. I definitely enjoyed showing them to you. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.